Hello everyone, this is a session on general aptitude. Let's start with the first question. A tank is filled by three pipes with uniform flow. The first two pipes operating simultaneously fill the tank in the same time, during which the tank is filled by the third pipe alone. The second pipe fills the tank 5 hours faster than the first pipe and 4 hours slower than the third pipe. The time required by the first pipe is. Okay, let's take the time taken by the first pipe to fill the tank Bx, time taken by the second pipe to fill the tank By, and the third tank Bz. Okay, now the efficiency of first pipe will be 1 by x, efficiency of second pipe will be 1 by y, and efficiency of third pipe will be 1 by z. Now it is said that when pipe 1 and 2 are working together, it takes the same time as this pipe working alone to fill the tank. Therefore, we can take efficiency of first plus efficiency of second gives efficiency of third. Okay, 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z. This is the first equation. Now it is said that the second pipe fills the tank 5 hours faster than the first pipe. That is, second pipe is 5 hours faster, means it takes 5 hours less than the first pipe. That is, y is 5 hours less than x. Okay. And the second pipe is also 4 hours slower than the third pipe. That means second pipe is 4 hours slower, means it takes 4 hours more than the third pipe. That is, y is 4 hours more than z. Okay. From these two information we can write that equations, we can write that x minus 5 equal to z plus 4. Okay. Now what we have to find? The time required by the first pipe, that is, we have to find x. Okay, from this equation we can find x. Now we'll substitute y and z in terms of x. So what is y in terms of x? From this we get y is x minus 5, and z, from this equation we can find z. From this equation z is equal to x minus 9. Okay. Now we can substitute y and z in terms of x in equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 1 by x plus 1 by y. Y is 1 by x minus 5. That is equal to 1 by z. Z is x minus 9. Now we'll solve this. That is x minus 5 plus x divided by x into x minus 5 equal to 1 by x minus 9. This is 2x minus 5 divided by x into x minus 5 equal to 1 by x minus 9. Now cross multiplying, 2x minus 5 into x minus 9 equal to x into x minus 5, that is x square minus 5x. Now this is 2x square minus 18x minus 5x plus 45 equal to x square minus 5x. Now minus 5x and minus 5x got cancelled. Now 2x minus x square, that is x square minus 18x plus 45 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Sum of the terms is minus 18 and the product is 45. So we get the two numbers as minus 15 and minus 3. So x minus 15 into x minus 3 equal to 0, or x equal to 15 and x equal to 3. Okay, from this given option x is 15. Okay, so the time required by the first pipe, that is x is equal to 15 hours. This is the correct answer. Has the capability of thinking 100 lines of code in 5 minutes and can type 100 lines of code in 10 minutes. He takes a break for 5 minutes after every 10 minutes. How many lines of code will he complete typing after an hour? Okay, it is said that it takes 5 minutes to think 100 lines and it takes 10 minutes to type these 100 lines. So in 5 minutes he will type 50 lines. It is also said that after working for every 10 minutes he take 5 minutes break. So I have shown here 60 minutes or 1 hour. So from 0 to 10 he works, and after this 10 minutes he take a break of 5 minutes. Then from 15 to 25 he works, and after this he takes a break of 5 minutes. Then 30 to 40 he works, and 40 to 45 is his break time. 45 to 55 he works, and 55 to 60 is his break time. This is the break time. Now from starting, what he do? The first 5 minutes what he'll do, he will think 100 lines. Okay. Then in the next 5 minutes he will type these lines. In 5 minutes he can type 50 lines. Okay, here he will type 50 lines. Then 10 to 15 is his break time. Then 15 to 20 he will type the remaining 50 lines. Okay, type 50 lines. Now 100 lines are typed, completed. Now in next 20 to 25, next 5 minutes he will again think the next 100 lines. Okay, and 25 to 30 is his break time. Then he has to type in the next 10 minutes. What he'll do, he'll type these 100 lines. Type 100 lines. Now 40 to 45 is his break time. Then after that 45 to 50 he will again think of the next 100 line. Think next 100 line. And 50 to 55, in this 5 minutes he will type the 50 lines. Okay, and 55 to 60 is his break time. So in 1 hour, how many lines of code will he complete? Okay, typing completed, that is, here type 15 lines, here again 15 lines, then 100 lines he type, then 50 lines he types. So total in 1 hour he types total 250 lines. So B is the answer. One of the 12 pool balls is a bit heavier than the others. At least how many times do you have to use an old balance type pair of scale to identify the ball? It is said that there are 12 balls and out of which one ball is heavier than the other, and you are using a balance to identify this heavier ball. So at least how many times you have to use this balance to find this heavier ball? So first we'll do is we'll weigh all the 12 balls. That is, we'll keep 6 ball here and 6 ball on this side of the balance. Okay. Now on which side the heavier ball is lying, that side will weigh more. Okay. If this side has that heavier ball, that means this side will weigh more. Now we got that this 6 ball contains that heavier ball. Now take this 6 ball alone only and weigh again. That is, out of the 6 ball, keep 3 balls here and 3 balls here. Now on the side where the heavier ball is lying, that side will weigh more. If this side weigh more, that means this 3 balls contains that heavier ball. Now take these 3 balls only and weigh again. Okay, out of these 3 balls, keep 1 ball here, keep 1 ball on the other side, and keep the third ball outside. Okay, here there will be two cases. Either these two sides will weigh the same, that means these two are the balls having same weight and the heavier ball will be the one that is lying outside. Now we got the heavier ball. Here there is also a second case, that is either of from these two, one will be the heavier ball. Okay, if this is the heavier ball, then this side will weigh more. Okay, now in this case also we get the heavier ball. Okay, so we got the heavier ball by, now we have used this balance how many times to find this heavier ball? We have used this balance 1, 2, 3 times to identify this heavier ball. So answer is option B, 3. If there are 51 rupees consisting of coins of 1 rupees, 50 paisa and 25 paisa, number of 50 paisa coin is double that of number of 1 rupee coin and 4 times that of 25 paisa, then what is the number of 50 paisa coin in the collection? It is said that there is a total of 51 rupees and it has 1 rupee coin, 50 paisa coin and 25 paisa coin. Okay, 50 paisa means half of rupees. Okay, half of 1 rupee is 50 paisa and 1 by 4 of 1 rupee is 25 paisa. Okay, now let the number of 1 rupee coin be x, number of 50 paisa coin be y and the number of 25 paisa coin be z. Okay, then it is said that number of 50 paisa coin is double that of 1 rupee coin, that is number of 50 paisa coin, that is y is double that of 1 rupee coin, that is y is equal to 2x. And it is also said that 50 paisa coin is 4 times that of 25 paisa, that is y is 4 times that of z. Okay, These are two equations. Now x time 1 rupees plus y time 50 paisa plus z times 25 paisa gives 51 rupees. Okay, that is x times 1 rupee plus y times 50 paisa, that is 1 by 2 rupees, plus z times 1 by 4 rupees gives a total of 51 rupees. That is x plus y by 2 plus z by 4 gives 51. Now what we have to find? We have to find the number of 50 paisa coin, that is we have to find y. For this we will substitute x and z in terms of y. Okay. What is x in terms of y? X is, from this equation we get x is equal to y by 2. From this equation we get z as y by 4. Now we will substitute here. X is y by 2, then again a y by 2 plus 1 by 4 into z. Z is y by 4. This is equal to 51. Now y by 2 plus y by 2, that is y. Y plus y by 16 equal to 51. Now 16y plus y, that is 17y divided by 16 equal to 51, or 17y equal to 51 into 16. Y is 51 into 16 divided by 17. So y is 14, that is the number of 50 paisa coin in the collection is 48. Option A is the correct answer. In a family, 7 children don't eat spinach, 6 don't eat carrot, 5 don't eat beans, 4 don't eat spinach and carrot, 3 don't eat carrot and beans, 2 don't eat beans and spinach, 1 doesn't eat all 3. Find the number of children. Okay, now here we have to know this equation, that is n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Here n of A is the number of children who do not eat spinach, n of B is the number of children who do not eat carrot, and n of C is the number of children who do not eat beans. Now this is equal to number of children who do not eat spinach is given as 7, who do not eat carrot is 6, and who do not eat beans is 5. Now n of A intersection B, that is the children who do not eat both spinach and carrot, that is given as, both spinach and carrot is given as 4. This is 4. Now the children who do not eat carrot and beans, this is carrot and beans, that is 3. Now beans and spinach is 2. And the children who do not eat all the 3, that is A intersection B intersection C, all the 3 is 1. Okay, now we'll substitute in this equation, then we'll get the number of children, that is A union B union C, that is the children who find the number of children, that is n of A is 7 plus 6 plus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 10. So option C. Mr. Das decided to walk down the escalator of a mall. He found that if he walks down 26 steps, he requires 30 seconds to reach the bottom. However, if he steps down 34 stairs, he would only require 18 seconds to get to the bottom. If the time is measured from the moment the top step begins to descend to the time he steps off the last step at the bottom, find the height of the stairway in steps. So here you have to find the number of steps in the escalator. Number of steps in the escalator you have to find. So let's take the speed of the escalator as x. Speed of the escalator be x. Now there are two cases given, that is if he walked down 26 steps, he requires 30 seconds to reach the bottom. So in case 1, he is stepping down 26 steps, and also the escalator is moving on its own. Therefore, the number of steps covered by the escalator would be 30 into x. That is, this is the time and this is the speed. Okay. So this would be 30x would be the number of steps moved by the escalator. And this is the total number of steps in the escalator. Okay. In the second case, it is said that if he stepped on 34 stair, he would require only 18 seconds to reach the bottom. That is 34 stair. He is stepping down 34 stair, and also the escalator is moving on its own and it moves 18x steps. Okay, 18x steps. That is in 18 seconds its speed is x, so in 18 seconds it moves 18x steps. So this is the total number of steps. Okay, now we know that these two are same. Okay, these two are same, so we can equate first equation and second equation, that is 26 plus 30x equal to 34 plus 18x. This is 30x minus 18x, that is 12x, equal to 34 minus 26, that is 8. X equal to 8 by 12 or 3 by 2 by 3. So this is x. Now what is the total number of steps? We can substitute for x in either of these two equations. Okay, so total number of steps would be 26 plus 30 into 2 by 3, that is equal to 46 steps. So option A is the correct answer. Find smallest number y such that y into 162 is a perfect cube. Okay, first we'll factorize 162. That is 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. This is 3 in 3, 27. This is 3, 9, and again 3, 3. Okay, now 162 can be written as 2 into 3 raised to 4. Now this can be rewritten as 2 into 3 into 3 cube. Okay, 3 raised to 4 can be written as 3 into 3 cube. Now this is 162. Now what you have to do? We have to find y into 162. Y into 162 should be a perfect cube. So this is in perfect cube. Now we have to make these two terms in perfect cube. So multiply 2 by 2 square and 3 by 3 square. Now we got this as 2 cube, this as 3 cube, and 1 3 cube term. This is a perfect square. So from this we can get that y is 2 square into 3 square, that is y is equal to 2 square into 3 square, and that is equal to 36. Option D. A speaks truth 70% of the time. B speaks truth 80% of the time. What is the probability that both are contradicting each other? Okay, that is the probability of A speaking truth is given as 70%, that is 0.7. Now the probability of B speaking truth is given as 80%, that is 0.8. Now what is the probability that A is speaking lie, telling lie? That is complement of this, that is 1 minus 0.7, which is equal to 0.3. Now what is the probability of B lying? That is complement of this, that is 1 minus 0.8, which is 0.2. And we have to find the probability. What is the probability that both are contradicting each other? Now condition for contradiction. Both are contradicting each other means either A is speaking the truth and B is lying, or B is speaking truth and A is lying. Okay, this is the contradiction. So what will be the probability? Probability will be A speaking the truth, probability is 0.7, and that is into B lying into 0.2, plus B truth and A lie, that is 0.8 into 0.3, and this is equal to 0.38. That is option B. How many zeros are there at the end of the number obtained from 999 factorial? Okay, the number is 999 factorial. So for any factorial number, the number of zeros at the end would be equal to the number of 5s. That is, for any factorial term, number of zeros will be equal to number of 5s. Okay, so we'll find the number of 5s in 999 factorial. So we'll divide this number by 5. This would be 199. Don't consider the remainder. This would be 3, 9. Again dividing we get 7. Now again divide by 5 we get 1 without considering the remainder. Now we'll add all these terms, that is 199 plus 39 plus 7 plus 1. This would be equal to 246. This is the number of zeros in this 999 factorial, that is option A. This is a practice question for you. Milk and water in two vessels A and B are in the ratio 2:3 and 9:7 respectively. In what ratio the liquids in both the vessels are mixed to obtain a new mixture in vessel C containing half milk and half water? Now comment your answer below. Thank you.